and welcome to another data entry class here at Connect Plus. And today I'll be teaching you how to create and how to post your first article on WordPress. So let's get started. WordPress is a platform which you can add articles to websites and to many other different blogs and brands, and many famous companies use it, such as Disney and Amazon. So today I'm going to teach you how to add your first article on it. And since many brands use this, you might think that is something really hard or is a monster or something like this, but it's actually very, very simple. And I'm going to show you. So when we get into WordPress, if you do not have your own page, probably your client will give their credentials to you so you can work with. So the first thing that you are going to do to post your first article is click here on posts and click on add new post. Very simple. It's the first thing that you are going to do. So when you click on new post, add new post, this is the page that is going to appear to you. And if you already have the file ready and all the written things and the article ready, all you gotta do is copy and paste, which is what I will do right here. But if you don't, you can write it right here. So the first thing that you can do is write the title of the post. So my post will be called. So my title is, what is e-commerce and why is being called the future of sales? This is the title. If you already have the title, all you gotta do is add it right there. And right here, you can insert the information of your article. So what I'm gonna do now is just copy and paste the title and the text that I already got. Right here, I'm going to copy and paste it into the space right here. Right here, you can edit as you go. You will see all of the information that you have written. And if you select a block, it will appear here. If you click on block, and we have the color, you can change the color of the text. You can add a pink, just like this. And you can also, let me select here. You can also change the background color of the block. So it will be something like this, but it's very up to you if you want to highlight important information or not. It's very up to you and the client. Right here, I like the pink and I'm gonna leave it right here. But you can also change as needed. Right here, you have the size of the font, the appearance. You can change also to black, to a thin kind of font. It's very up to you and what the brand requires, okay? I'm going to add a big one right here. And that's pretty much it. So right now I want to add a image. All you gotta do is hit plus, hit here, and let me choose an image. I'm gonna search for e-commerce, and yeah, I think this one is pretty good. Let me see if copy and paste works here. It works. You can just copy and paste the image, or if you already have the image in your computer or in your phone, if you're doing this from a phone, you can just upload the image right there. And you can change also the location of your image. So it's very simple to write this. And it's very simple to write an article on WordPress. Many people think that is one of the hardest things to do, but it's not. It's actually pretty simple. I'm gonna copy another image right here. Gonna paste, and that is it. Now we are going to do other things. Right here on the side, we have the visibility. So who is going to see this post? It's going to be public, private, or protected by a password. It is up to you. So let's see you did this post and you want to show to your client. You can make it private and only him with the access will see, or protected by a password if you want a certain amount of group to see it, but not everybody. I'm gonna leave it public. When to publish, you can schedule the publishing, so you can do like a lot of articles in a day and schedule the publishing for a whole week, for example. Another thing you can see is the model of the template, okay? How is it going to appear? Right here. If you want to fix it, if you want to pin on top of the blog, if it's pending revision, so you will show your client first. The format, who's the author of this? So I'm your teacher, Gabriela, and it's me. So who is the author of this article? The categories, if you want to add some. So right here, I'm going to add e-commerce. And everything about e-commerce will be added to this category. The tags, so tag, e-commerce. You can add the tags required, which image you want to highlight it, kind of draft and a summit of this article. And it's optional, but you can write e-commerce is the future of sales and you need to know why. This is more like a call out, but is also a summit of what it talks about. And if about discussion is all about the public, so if you want to allow them to comment, if you want them to pin backs and track backs, it is really up to you. So right here, you can save the draft, or you can visualize your article, or you can just publish. We are going to visualize first. This is a visualization. You can hit tablet if you want to see it as a tablet or as your phone, or you can see it in a new tab. So this is how it's going to appear to the public, okay? You're posting, right here we have the images, and when was it posted, the author, the category, if there is any, and the tags. And you can leave it a comment right here. The reader can leave a comment right there. So if you want to post it, all you gotta do now is schedule and hit posted. So now your post is published. And you can hit right here to see the post, or you can copy the link and send it to anyone you would like. And you're done. And you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, you can reblog it, like, or publish yourself another one. So guys, that was it. This is how you can add your first article to WordPress. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned. And if it's as easy as you think it is, I hope you work a lot in this area. So I'll see you next class and bye bye.